we, the Lecturers Association Manipur 2018 batch, had taken unanimous decision for a band-down strike from 21st to 26 July in accordance with the press note issued by the Lecturers Association Manipur 2018 batch on 19 July 2025. This decision was taken by the association after repeated delays in fulfilling the commitments made by the government. On January 8, 2022, Education Commissioner issued our regularization order, in which it was mentioned that the entitled pay and allowances of the higher secondary lecturer will be given from 1st April 2023. However, the concerned authority has neither completed the regularization process nor given us the entitled regular pay to this day. In spite of the authority failing us every now and then, we, the lecturers, have been sincerely performing our duties in the school, taking active part in nation building. We urge the concerned authority to complete the regularization process and release our regular salaries without further delays in view of the difficult circumstances we, the teachers, are currently facing.
Due to this band-down strike presently going on by this newly regularized lecturer, our school, Ukhrul Secondary School, is having a hard time because 11 of them are newly regularized lecturer group, of which 5 are taking English, whereas we don't have any, only one English lecturer. And we are also utilizing them to take language, that is Tangkhul, and therefore class has been disrupted. We are not able to take Tangkhul class, we are unable to take English class, and also above this, 4 biology lecturers are there. So in science also we are facing difficulties in taking biology. And history, pol science, which all the art students are taking, we have section ABC in class 11 and 12. So we are having great shortage in all these areas. So with this band-down strike, from yesterday, our class has been disrupted, and we are having very hard time, and I appeal to the government to look into this matter so that the student will not be deprived of their learning, and also the school administration can smoothly function as before, in spite of all the shortages. This short message I would like to place before the press so that immediate action be taken by the concerned authority. Thank you.